Is your Volvo XC60 key fob unresponsive? Let's get it working again with this Resync guide. First, sit inside your XC60 with all doors closed. Turn the ignition to position I, accessories on, without starting the engine. Press and hold the lock button on your key fob for 5 seconds. Turn the ignition off, then back to position I. Repeat this process 3 to 4 times. Finally, test if the Resync worked by attempting to lock and unlock the doors using the fob. This simple procedure resolves most connectivity issues. Note, this applies to Volvo XC60 models from 2018, 20, and 25. For digital key issues, ensure your Volvo Cars app is up to date. A dead battery is another common cause of key fob failure. Replacing it is straightforward and requires a CR2032 battery. You'll need a CR2032 battery and a small screwdriver or pry tool. Be gentle to avoid damaging the casing. Carefully open the key fob using the tool. Note the orientation of the old battery, positive side up. Replace with the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces up. Reassemble the key fob, making sure it's securely closed. Test the fob to confirm it's working. Consider replacing the battery every 1 to 2 years as preventative maintenance. Avoid using cheap batteries as they can cause signal issues. If problems persist after these steps, consult your Volvo dealer for further assistance, especially if your XC60 is still under warranty. Online tutorials can also provide visual guidance.